Good morning. I have pieced these together, and I've got them laid out, and I'm gonna put them rows across, 5 blocks across, and 6 down. And I've got 3 laid out here, down here. And I'm gonna start sewing these today, and I'm gonna bring you along while I do it. Okay. These were so easy to do. I saw somebody else make a quilt like this, and I'll be back to get them start sewing together. All right. It took me about 3 days off and on to get these all made. There's 30 blocks of them. All right, I'll bring you back when I get there. All right, I've got the first panel I put together. Now I'm gonna sew the second panel together on, and this will be the last time I'll video this till I get it done. Get it pieced together. I'll bring you back. All right, I've got all of them piece together, and I'm sewing the last one on. I'll be through with the top. Well, I've got to put a border on it. This is the second one I've made of this. I hadn't even finished the other one yet. I think 3 blocks on it being through it. But I got this new material in and it looks so pretty. I wanted to get started on it. It's a big, I got it hanging off the table. All right, I'll bring it back. All right, I've got it laid out now, and after I've got to put the border on, but I'm going to go ahead and download this. But it turned out so pretty. I can see the design on it better on the phone. Alright, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. This was so much fun to put together.